Today, we're creating a funny transformation using the big head effect. This instantly enlarges your subject's head and gives the clip a cartoonish, comedic feel, great for memes, funny moments, and reaction edits. Let's get into it. First, import your video into CapCut and tap to select your clip. Next, tap Effects at the bottom of the screen. Then go to Body Effects. Inside, open the Funny Faces tab. Here, look for an effect called Big Head and tap to apply it. Right away, you'll see your subject's head transform into a large, rounded cartoon style shape. It gives the video a fun and exaggerated personality. To fine tune the look, tap the effect again to access the slider's speed, controls how fast the head animation plays, increase for energetic motion, lower for subtle exaggeration, range, adjusts how much surrounding area is influenced by the effect, higher range adds more dramatic distortion, intensity, controls how big the head becomes, increase intensity for maximum comedic effect, decrease for a softer, lighter cartoon look. Experiment with these sliders to find the perfect balance for your edit, extreme and goofy, or mild and playful. Preview your clip to see the effect in motion. And that's it. You've successfully applied the big head effect in CapCut Mobile. It's a super fun feature for making entertaining, meme-worthy videos. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile effect tutorials.